Hi everyone, it's James. You're looking at my lesson plan for February 2020. Looking at goals at school, identifying words, labeling, and writing words such as pencil, map, chair, etc. I will be using two textbooks, Longman English playbooks and a Japanese book called Gakken. I'll show them to you later. And of course, we're going to have some games. I have Spot It, Bumo, and Dominoes. Next, in Lesson 1, under Warm-Up, I have name, spell your name, family name, age, grade, school, how do you go to, where do you live, how many people are in your family, where are you from, what do you like. Under Other Questions, for the first week, ask, what's in February? Setsubun, Kenkoku Kinenbi, Valentine's Day. You can also ask, when is Valentine's Day, etc. When does your last term end? Next, under how to do a simple self-introduction. Some of my students are going into junior high, so they need to know how to do a self-introduction. Hi or hello, nice to meet you. My name is first, last name. I am years old. I'm in the grade. I go to the name of their elementary school. I like, for example, playing video games. That is a simple self-introduction, but you wouldn't believe how daunting that can be for Japanese kids. Next, under flashcards, I have occupations such as doctor, dentist, teacher, engineer, public places, crosswalk, sidewalk, church, factory, highway, etc. Under what do you want to be when you grow up? I'm going to get the students to answer it like this. I want to be a or an, and they'll pick an occupation. If they say, I don't know, then I'll say, just pretend. To say pretend in Japanese is furio suru. I'm going to assign some homework to them. For lessons 2 and 3, it's pretty much the same. For lesson 4, I will test them in their self-introduction and perhaps some of the vocabulary. For the self-introduction part, I'll just get the students to introduce themselves, and if they get it right, I'll give them a high five or a candy. This concludes my lesson plan. Now, let me show you some of my books. These are the two books that I'll be using. This one is Longman English Playbooks, School. It's pretty good. Very easy to do. Trace, write and match, write, circle and write, trace. This is the Gakken book. Don't worry about Chuichi Eigo. They need it. As you can see, it's in English and in Japanese. 5th graders and especially 6th graders need to know some grammar. For the 6th graders going into junior high, they're going to be seeing a lot of be verbs and do verbs. This is, that is. Is this, is that. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.